How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the rules of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. So here you can find for example this one, as you can see, and here we have this one too. So here we have over 300k of followers. That mean even it's powered by AI, over 300k of followers. That mean there's people, a real people follow her. So as you can see, we have a lot of pictures, a lot of likes, comments. So it's an AI influencer. That means it doesn't exist. So you can use or create one and earn money, because a lot of AI influencers actually earns millions of dollars. And in this video I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it big actually, because we have here hygiene is hygiene.com. It's an AI based tool that can be utilized to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have two options to get started, so the first one and the second. So you can choose the one you want, and then you will enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you will sign up. Here we have user or use cases, features, resources, company, pricing. So you can choose the one you can get information from. So here we have a lot of options that you can get informations and more understand. If we scroll down over here, you'll find a lot of videos, and as you can see here, we have a lot of videos that you can get to more understand. And here we have a lot of AI avatars. So here we have a lot of AI avatar that you can choose. So let's dive to hygiene.com by going to the home page. Of course, after finishing these steps of signing up, it will lead you to this home page. So this is the home page. As you can see, actually this is it, and here we have the recent creations. So my recent creations, I already have account, that's why. Here we have hygiene learning guide. So as you can see here, we have AI studio. If you want to more understand how AI studio works, the same thing for video avatar, AI voice, video translation, and here we have templates. So you can choose templates that you want to create or to edit, and then you will uh, get your templates ready to publish it. So here we have a lot of topics, a lot of templates with various AI character. So you can also for example choose the avatar, AI avatar, to get started with your own video, or with your video that you can publish it on your YouTube channel. So you can go to video avatar and go to studio avatar to dive into various avatars that you can choose one of them to get start your video. So for example, let's select that one. As you can see, this is Jeremy in shared, so you can choose that one, for example, just to more understand. Here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar, if you want to get avatar ID. Here we have if you want to create your video with this avatar, so you can click on landscape to start on YouTube. So this is the AI avatar. You can click on it, and then you will or you have the ability to displace it. You can put it on the left, for example, on the right, or on the middle. Here we have if you wanna zoom it and the animation too, so you can added your effect on enter or effect on leave, or you can just added a script, so you can um, added your script here. If you want to add another one, you can add it here. And here we have, if you want to add pause action, or if you want to add recording, if you want to upload audio. And here we have, if you want a gpt script writer that can help you to write your script. And here we have translate all scripts, if you want to translate the script to a specific language. And as you can see, here we have the voice, so you can choose which voice you want. Is it natural voice or explainer voice, ads, debugs, learning, narration, games. And you can also choose the languages, so you can choose the language that you want of your voice. And also the gender, if it's male or female. So here I already choose the male character, AI character. That means I will choose the voice male. And here we have age, if you want a child voice, you'd voice. And here we have the function, so you can adjust your voice by selecting one of these function, or three of them or both of them. So it depends on what you want, how you want to edit your video. So after for example, editing your video, you can just click on submit, and you'll make your video ready to publish it on your YouTube channel. So the question is how we can earn money by using this AI character. So we can start as an affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. So by promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through their referral links. Or you can just create a video guide using an AI influencer can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. So you can choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. And then you'll go to scripting, so you can write script for your video guide, or you can just use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, and any demonstration you plan to include. Make sure just the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.